real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pack to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time.
Alright, what is up YouTube? I am back with another video for you guys today. And today is a very special day. Now in this video, I am going to be starting a new series. And it's going to be called Starting a Clothing Line. And this is episode 1. The reason why I wanted to make these videos is because I am currently starting my own brand. And I wanted you guys to follow me on this journey and see my process through it all. So let's get right into it. In my living room, there's actually a package for me that I will be unboxing. Now this package is, one is a vinyl cutter, so I can cut all the vinyl, so I can cut some of the designs I have in mind. So I bought the Silhouette Cameo 3. I did a bunch of research online, and this is the best one that fit my needs. Now I also bought a heat press, which is great because you take the vinyl, the design, and you heat press it onto a shirt, and the vinyl will stay on that shirt, and now you have your final product. So the reason I got these is because I want to start making clothes and start putting my designs onto my t-shirts and start selling them to whoever wants to buy my clothing. And another reason I got these is because I can also do custom shirts, decals, stickers, and this way I can also sell my services to others, whoever needs those done. So it's almost like a complete set. I can almost do everything that I need to do with it, and that's why I got it. Now let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So I'll take you guys to my living room. Alright, so here it is. Here is the packages. I'll go ahead and set up my tripod and get unboxing for you guys.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you.
Alright, so let's get to cutting.
Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes. In this bitch, we made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch, I'm with your babe on the run. Like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I called you out, you got served with that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Nova came, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks, I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down.
Alright, so right here I have my vinyl cutter that I just opened. I'm not going to go into depth really on a lot of these things just yet. It'll probably be my next video. But like I said, this series is called Starting a Clothing Line. So if you guys wanted to start your own clothing line, you guys can go ahead and get a vinyl cutter as well. Mine is a 12 by 24 inch. But there is 15 inch, 24, 28, and 35 inch vinyl cutters that you can actually buy. But this one here fits my needs. But yeah, so tips on starting a clothing line: you can either do it this way, which is vinyl cutting and a heat press, or you can do screen printing, or as well as plastisol heat transfers. You can do those as well. But yeah, this is my way that I want to start creating my shirts, just because there's so much that you can do with this vinyl cutter. So let me go ahead and take you guys around it real quick. Alright, so you guys can see right here we have the vinyl cutter and a couple of accessories with it. This is probably the mat to put the vinyl on. Here's a couple of vinyl that they gave me, a bag, battery, maybe some more stuff, the cutter, USB, a little another vinyl. I'm actually not sure what that is. And here is the hook tool to hook out your vinyl. And then if you open it, There you go. This is what it looks like. Now you insert the vinyl into here. This machine starts cutting up your designs. And then once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and use this hook to take out any excess vinyl that you don't need to complete your design. Alright, so there is the vinyl cutter. Now on to the unboxing of the heat press. Let's get it.
Came up as a church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleepin'. Man, you don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like Trinidad. Trick, I'm the man, act like you know me. Popping up like a...
Alright, so the next thing we have here is a heat press. Now this is pretty basic, nothing crazy that you guys need to know about it, but let me go ahead and show you guys and tell you guys what it does. So here's the machine. This is a 15 by 15 inch heat press. Now the reason I got this is because this is where you're going to put your shirt, and you're gonna go ahead and press down to heat the vinyl onto your shirt for about 15-20 seconds. And what it does is it heats up the vinyl and heats it up onto your shirt, and then you have your final product in your shirt and you're ready to go. So there was different sizes for these, but this is the most affordable and biggest size that fit my needs. So I went ahead and got this. Yeah, so this is what I have. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and install these into my room and show you guys what it looks like inside my room and my workstation for it. I already have stuff cleared, I just have to get it over there, so I'll show you guys once it's done. Alright, so I just got done setting up my new workspace. So right here is the Cameo. I already bought a cutter for whenever I'm cutting like stickers and stuff. Right here, some of my business cards, and then right here is the heat press. Pretty simple to use. Pretty simple workspace. Just right here, my laptop. So here's my workspace. If you guys were wondering what it looked like. Now, if any of you do want to support my business and need any shirts done or any decals, stickers, please go ahead and email me. I'll go ahead and leave my email in the description below. Yeah, hit me up for anything, and I'm willing to you know, hook it up, just because I'm starting off and I do want my business to grow. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Just a quick glance of what I have going on. So this is the first series of starting a clothing line, episode 1. And yeah, that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope this, you know, inspired you guys to either, you know, go out there and create your own clothing line. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to get you notified whenever I do upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment if you guys have any more questions about my new business. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and remember, it's all about the journey. Peace.